Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
I hope you all are safe and good in your houses. Okay, so as you all can see,
You can't go outside with your masks.
Without your masks.
Without your masks.
Okay, Moksha, let's talk related to what we are recording the video. Okay, as you all can see, the word we have written here is comparison. Means today I am going to introduce comparison words to kindergartners or first graders. Okay, so let's start, Moksha. Okay.
Okay, mommy, teacher.
Okay, I have collected few objects like this dolls or something. These Legos.
Those are not Legos. Those are blocks.
Okay, these are blocks. Some cars of different sizes.
And these are Legos.
Okay, keep it here. Yeah, these are Legos. Okay, so kids knows better that what is Lego and what is block. Okay, and these are balls. Okay, so you can also collect these type of things before doing this activity at your home with mommy, daddy, or your friend. With means you can do this thing as a play also. Okay, with any of your friend or your brother or sister. Okay, so our first set of words is big, bigger, and smallest. Right? This is smallest, right, Moksha?
No.
Then
biggest.
what? Okay.
Bigger. Big.
Okay. Good. So I will tell Moksha to put some things. Wait. I will tell you, Moksha. Wait. Okay.
Okay, Mama.
So I will tell Moksha to put all the things, some of the things to their correct places. Okay. Moksha, I'm keeping these objects or things in wrong way. You have to put them in correct way. Okay.
Okay.
I am putting them in a wrong way. You have to put them in a correct
way.
Correct order. Okay. So this one, and this one. Okay. Okay. So this car is
big.
Okay. This car is
Bigger.
This car is
Bigger.
Okay. So first time, if any kid is seeing this thing first time and they don't know the words big, bigger, biggest, then what to do? Okay. Suppose there is only one car. Okay. So we don't know. So kid can see it's a big car. Okay. You can also say it's a big car. Okay.
But
it's a big car.
Small car.
Yeah, it's a small. But if we are not comparing it with any object, any other car, then we can say it's big. It's big enough to hold, or it's big enough to roll. Okay. But now, if two cars come in picture, suppose this one and this one. Okay, these are two cars. I'm taking them in hand. Okay. So if you see, now any kid can say which one is more bigger than the previous one. Okay, so this car is little small as compared to this one.
That are small.
Okay, so this is bigger car, this is bigger, and this is big. Okay, means when we are comparing two objects, two things, then we can say one is big and another one is bigger than the previous one. Okay, now but when the three things come in picture, you have to compare. Then what you have to do? Now tell me which is bigger. When you see these two, then which is bigger? This light green one. Okay, so suppose this one, we will remove that one. So this one will be big now. This will be the bigger. and when the third one comes, this is the smallest among these three. So what we will do, the most big car will go to the biggest one, then the medium one will go to the bigger position, and this will be the big. So big, bigger, biggest. When we are comparing some things, here you can see nothing is the suffix. Here you can see er is the suffix. Here you can see est is the suffix. Okay, so no problem. We are just comparing the objects. Don't go to the spellings, kids.
You mean G also?
Yeah, beta, you will come to know all these things later, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Okay, friends. So, ये तो spelling, we will not confuse kids with the spellings, okay? Just remember big, bigger, biggest as whole words, okay? Now, let's continue. Okay, Moksha. Here are 3 other toys. You have to put them according to their size. You have to say the words also. This is biggest.
Big.
Oh, this is big.
Bigger.
This is bigger. And this is biggest. Okay, fine. Moksha, these are 3 things, 3 Legos. Put them to their places. Say the words. This is smallest.
No, biggest.
Biggest.
Big, 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 bigger, biggest.
And
Big.
okay, sit properly. Okay, now Moksha. Okay, this car is done. Okay, with these blocks, put these blocks to their places.
Biggest, bigger, big.
Okay, good job. So, Moksha, I am changing the word now. Okay, let's change the word. Okay. So, the new set of word is large, larger, largest. Okay, Moksha? Again.
Okay, Mama.
So, these are the objects I am keeping here in wrong order. Good. Okay, you did correct. Now again. Okay. Correct them. Okay. This is also good.
No.
Okay.
No.
Now Moksha, I will give you this time. I will give you only 2 objects, no 3 objects. Okay. You have to put them to correct place. Okay.
Okay.
Wrong. See, there are no 3 objects. So one word will be out of the picture. Okay. Means you are comparing. Okay. When you are seeing this only object. Wait, let me explain. Come. When you see only this object, so you can say this is a large Lego. Okay. But when you compare this Lego with this one, what you will say, Moksha? Which is larger? Which is large and which is larger? This Lego is larger than this one. Okay. This Lego is larger than this one. Okay. So now how you will keep it? Again wrong. Okay, so when we are comparing only 2 objects, then what we have to say, this Lego is larger than this one. Okay, so put them to their places. This is large and this is larger. No third comparison. Okay, no third comparison. Moksha, here are 3 Legos. Again do it. large. This is the position.
No, those are.
This is large, larger, largest. Okay. And I have given you three objects, and
Can you see the B over there, guys?
B is for banana.
Yeah, and boy.
Okay. So, Moksha, these are at wrong places. Moksha, keep these balls to their correct places.
This is a big bouncy ball.
Largest.
I mean, the largest bouncy ball. And this is a large bouncy ball. And these bouncy balls.
Then, and this is larger. Okay.
And
now
this is a bit large.
Okay. So now I am changing the word. We are going to third set of words.
These are blocks, okay?
Okay. Do this. Good. So small. But when you look to this one, this is more smaller than this one. And when you look to this one, this is smallest among all these three. Okay?
And this goes here, and this. Let's do all of them.
Wait. We'll do one by one. Okay. So this is okay. 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 Let's do this one.
These blocks.
Over
here.
Do this one.
Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. I'm the smallest.
Keep it like this so that it will look to. Okay, it will be visible in the screen. Okay.
Did you think I'm cute?
Okay, next. Next. Okay. Okay, fine. Now this one. Okay. Okay.
And the big bouncy ball.
Ball will be here. Okay, fine. Okay, so now quiz time. Okay, here is the quiz. So Moksha, sometimes I will give you only one object. Sometime I will give you two objects, and sometime I will give you three objects. You have to choose their position and you have to keep them. Okay. Keep these three items to their correct places. Okay, fine. Now, right now I am giving you two objects. Okay. You have to keep them to their positions. Okay, so this is done. Only two. So one is big and one will be bigger. Okay, keep it. Okay, first I will, yeah. Here are the two objects. Okay, now keep it, Moksha. Very good, Moksha, very good. Okay, suppose Moksha, I will give you only one object and the object is this one. So where you will keep it? Okay, so you are going to keep it here? Then on which position?
Big.
Big. Very good. Now, if I give you again these two cards, okay? And I'm keeping one here and another one here. Are they correct?
No.
Wow, Moksha, you did correct. So, Moksha did a good job.
Are you giving me more stickers?
Yeah, I will give her stickers. Okay, so hope everybody enjoyed it. Practice it at your home. Thanks for watching. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.